Hello everyone! So look at this. We are here in Enchanted Palace. Enchanted Palace. Oh my god. So whoever recognize this place, just comment below and let me know if you recognize this place. And then, asan dito? Asan na kami ngayon? Ayan. So, we're going up to across these bridges that surrounded around the mountains. Ayan. So, ganyan yan. Nandito na kami. At tingnan nyo, oh, itong bridges na ito, it was really connected to the bigger trees. Yan. Ang lawak nitong bridges na ito. If I'm not mistaken, this is how many bridges are there? Nine bridges, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Ayan. So, kahit natatakot si Lola Inday, I have to go through kasi nga yung long bridge ngayon na kaya ko, why not ito? Itong pa short, medyo pa pag dumating ka doon, pwede ka nang mag-rest doon sa connecting tree na yan. Ayan, so picture sila, view, sightseeing before they will go. Meron ding Pilipino dito. Kaya lang, of course, we have our own lakad. Ganyan kami. Say hi, say hello, and then smile, and that's it. Ayan, ganyan. So, talagang inaakit namin ito. So, later on, I'm going to show you, or next upload, I'm going to show you yung view din sa pinakababa dito. Ayan. Pupunta din kami doon. Ayan. And we can enjoy, or we can spend our time here. Kasi nga, ang ganda ng view, sobra. Kung pwede lang na lagi kang pumupunta dito ka na lang mag-relax ba. Kasi nakaka-relax siya eh. Ayan. See? Tignan yun, oh. Ilang bridge na kami. Tapos pag pumunta ka pa sa baba, oh my god. Ayan, ganyan yan sa baba. Pero later muna yan. Ganyan. So, ulit. Another bridge again. Ayan, instruct ko muna ang aking photographer para pagandahin ang kanyang pagbibideo kasi hindi masyadong nakikita at magpa-picture muna kami ng aking daughter. Ayan. Nauna yung mga iba. Kami, dahil sa dulo. Gusto ata nilang mapasyal din yung the whole mountain. Ayan, yan yung sa baba niya, nakita nyo? Oh, so fantastic and awesome place. Oh my goodness. It's a natural beauty. Yan. Of nature. Yan. Oh, so inabutan na namin sila dito. Kasi nga, nag-sightseeing din ulit sila at nagpa-picture. So, naabutan namin sila. Ayan, ang ganda talaga, diba? As you can see, the proof is there already. It's a breathtaking talaga siya. Yan, pa-picture muna sila at kami mag-go na. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. Sobra. Alam niyo ba, nag-drive kami from Saskatoon to Vancouver just to come and visit here. Long drive talaga kami. Yan, picture si Inday. Yeah. Ganyan ang view dito. Tapos masusurprise pa kayo sa next upload ko kasi meron pa, hindi lang dito, hindi lang ito ang maganda. Meron pa. Yan. Yung first na upload ko, yun yung longest bridge na yan. So, malapit na kami sa dulo na at mag-end na. Yan. Kaya, abangan ninyo ang aking next upload ulit. Ha, guys? So, thank you for keep watching. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your friendship. And thank you for your likes and papuso. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. So this is the second part of what I've uploaded the other day. So we're done here in the treetop adventures. This is what they call treetop adventures. Ayan. So we are satisfied already. So we're almost done here. After this, we're gonna show you downstairs what's downstairs kasi napanood na natin yung above, so we're going down also, so panoorin natin dyan. So this is a view from above to bottom. Yan. So pwede kang manood above and bottom, of course, kasi may mapapanood ka naman at the bottom. So this treetop soars over 33 meters down and then 110 feet above the forest floor. Yan. So yan, nakababa na kami. Yun, dito na kami sa baba. Tapos, as I have said that this treetops adventure consists of 7 individual suspension bridges and platforms. So, mali pala ako. I'm wrong what I've said to my first video. I mentioned there that there are 9 bridges, but it's wrong. It's supposed to be 7. It's false info. Okay, so I've heard that this trees was connected with the bridges is healthy. Healthy daw itong trees na ito. So this centuries old trees and breathtaking view, treetops adventure is unlike any canopy walk in the world, which is I agree. Ayan. So parang mas gusto ko pa kaysa yung nagka-canopy. Ayan. Ganyan ang view. So, yan nakikita nyo yung long bridges na yan. Later again, I will gonna show you yung pagbalik namin. I'm going to show you yung yung longest bridges. Yan, yung dadaanin mo muna bago you walk in these treetops and the bottoms. Ayan, so makikita ninyo, ayan yan yung the longest one doon. Ayan, kita nyo? Ayan, doon kami dumaan. We walked there. And I'm very sorry because I'm so scared, but I managed. I managed to walk. See? Yan ang tinuturo ko. Yan ang, so, my family walk ahead of me kasi ang bagal ko because I wanna enjoy the view, I don't just walk. I'm appreciating everything I saw. Ayan, ganyan. Yun yung the longest bridge. Nakikita nyo yan? Yun. So yan yung treetops bridges at ito yung sa bottom nya. Yan. Grabe. Kung nandito kayo, kung may friends ka dito or families and then you're like chatting each other as if like you're chatting each other as families, is ang ganda talaga. Kasi nga mapapawawa ka talaga sa sa ganda niya. Very breathtaking talaga. Alam nyo ba? We drove from Saskatoon to here. It's a long drive talaga siya. Ayan. So, picture muna si Lola Inday while others is not around. Ayan. Silip-silip. Ganyan ako pag nag-iisa. Ayan. So, I'm not going to worry that I'm alone here. I'm going to worry later. Ayan, yan yung mga top trees, bridges na yan. Nakikita nyo? Ang ganda, no? Ang sarap talaga sa very satisfying talaga. And it worth it naman yung mga long drive ninyo, guys. At saka, of course, it worth yung bayad. Kasi, you need to pay for it. The entrance and everything. Ayan. Dito na kami, ayan. So, I remembered I uploaded this long time ago. Yung nandito ako. Pero, I wanna upload the whole thing para mapanood nyo naman ang aking napanood. So, yan. Ang ganda. Pati mga bata, kinakaya nilang across the bridge. Ayan. So, picture muna kami before we're going ahead to this long bridge. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko. So, pabalik na kami at ako'y kapit-kapit para hindi mahulog si Lola Inday. Ayan. So, ganyan ako. Maglakad. So, pabalik na kami uli. Kanina, iiyak ako. And ito pa, yung nagpipicture na ito, hindi natatakot. Ako'y takot na. Ayan, ang asawa kong hawak-hawak ang aming baon. Yan, at I asked him to video me while watching me kasi baka mahulog ako. Parang tanga paano kung mahulog ako dun? Paano niya ako maisisave? Diyos ko. Sa haba ba naman? Pero ang laki yung mga nila, yung bar nila. Tignan nyo, And it can accommodate lots of people. Grabe, itong long bridges. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Oh my God. Bilisan ni Lola Inday para ako'y makabreath na kasi para akong matutumba sa takot. Ayan. So, may nakita ang asawa ko. Of course, ang aking mata. Makikita nyo. Ewan ko kung makita nyo. Ayan. Yung payat-payatot niya nun. Tawa tuloy ako. Super. Ayan. Oh, yan. So, tawa-tawa si Inday kasi nga nakarating na sa dulo. Finally. I'm here na. So, guys, later again, meron pa kaming pupuntahan na bridges dyan. Yung Cliff Bridge daw, andun na naman. Kailangan kong i-experience talaga kahit takot na takot ako kasi kailangan. Pumunta ako dito eh. So, I need to, i-career ko na. Ayan. Kahit natatakot. I really need to fight my acrophobia talaga. So, ayan. So, picture muna ako dito at nakipag-shake hands para iwanan sa kanya ang aking kaba.